Watch it. Was on my way down to Portland Cottage. I give thanks and praise to the Almighty Dread. I open my Bible and I read the scripture. I be like honest with a bullet in a whistle. Was walking on the street and to meet an officer. With my bad luck as I bend the corner. Soldier indicate the police in the station. Soldier indicate the police in the station. I put them up together like eradication. They won't go charge me for murderation. They won't go charge me for murderation. I tell them Johnny Rocks is at the microphone stand. I Johnny Rocks is at the microphone stand. Me go on OG in the next gang see. Me jumping pants as a big time barangs. Me chat us something nice and the dance get hot. Little after that me hear be a gunshot. When me take a step eradication from this spot. You should have seen the proclamation running from my back. Me say you hot time. I mean no want to play no soldier no hot time. Tell them, me say me hot time. First variation I run up on me bum time. Tell them, well up. You know why me do that tune there? Got to be a veteran if you can't chat like that. You see me? If you not come from the old school, you can't have them talk. We don't call that DJ, we call that chant. Alright? Run me the answer. Big up Johnny P and Tiger at the place. Salute to Lady G, Johnny P, Tiger, all of the veterans them say. A lot of people have asked for Junior Ranks for years. Cause sometimes we kind of cool out in the business because we night for a long time. Sometimes as woman, hold it baby, hold it. Sometimes as woman that the thing, you know, we take for ourselves sometimes for a little family time. Take care of we with them and thing, but the music always a call we no matter what cause we're born with it. God give we talent hungry, man alone can take it back so we can come back anytime. See? So because the people that ask what Junior Ranks are going for years, never tell them. Run it again. Big up Mikey and the place, Father Biggs, culture wise. Watch me. Listen to my story. Have mercy. Say it. Have mercy. Jump. For a few long years, Junior Ranks have taken a break. Oh yes. Make sure they don't know you and keeping up the faith. Oh yes, I am trying this and that, but I must admit the fact there ain't nothing like the mic I love to chant. Oh yes, so you can tell the world I'm crazy. I'm coming back in the business. There ain't nothing like already my love to override. I miss the fans I used to please. I miss the man I used to tease. So I said, please. All the fans please. Listen, and the reggae music below fantastic money that I chose the rally back in the DJ army. As a old veteran from 19 no longer. It's not a little rule but me plus the sun. As I made the New York I keep up. Me as a macadam man I make a comeback. As a old veteran I go the business a lot. Me no worry about the new kids them on the block. Me a that microphone from tennis and a shop. Big up all veteran DJ from way back. Junior Ranks come back in the business again. It's a go be trouble. Oh yes. So but me I go make it. And me say pull up again. You could remember them tune from 1901. Run it again. You remember them tune? That one yeah. My answer when Supercat go no books. It's not the right rhythm but never chat on it still. Watch your message. More answer me books and me a pray for my books. Me your books I don't maybe no one for your books. No one say me books and me a pray for me books. Me your books I don't maybe no one for your books. So every weekend me come on the corner. He keep on him neck, he keep on him shoulder. Carry him up a post a coat and teach us. Walk him up and kiss him up get touches and the lot. For me books man the best books in Jamaica. More answer me books. Remember them children. Sure. Give me the money, want the money. Give me the money, want the money. Jamaica money, it a big kill me. US money, it a big kill me. See no panic on me, nah refuse me. I don't panic on me, nah run left feet. Give me with it. Remember that tune, you hear me answer now? Watch out. Come again. Give me an next tune. Some other Junior Ranks collection. Because you know say entertainment that is a form of enjoyment. See? Run the next one. Run some other Junior Ranks. Sing. Yeah. Run one of the tunes them now. Yeah. Bring back the Lord. Alright. Pull up again. Pull up. You see that one again? Dedicate to honor the veteran them. Because them things that will last and that thing that will not last. Junior Ranks has a salute thing on Facebook, and check it out. The name Junior Ranks Foundation Artist Salute Movement. Junior one day again. She can't remember the love of the dancer. Calling out Foundation one and all. Let's remember the thing that we stand for. Oh, let's bring back the love in the dancer. The days of big youth and I ride. Oh, let's bring back the love in the dancer. When Brigadier appeared, Jack Ruby watching. Sit down, back in the year 1981. Me start DJ in a dancehall session. Then the man could have hold them woman. And cool and deadly to the race man. I love sound system, this a girl chat one. Like the great Gemini and youth man promotion. Killer man, Charo and creation. The great Seraphon is Seraphon and Seraphon. And it's a deep possession and you want to the rum. Drop the smiley and Michigan by her. Oh, you born 1981. All the girls feel like you want this lady on. Oh, you born 1981. All yourself feel like you want this yellow man. So please, Mr. Man, stop treating you never be broken on. Listen, we'll bring back the days of big note and Ira. We'll bring back the love in the alright. One next. Give me the next track. And we are running down. See? Give me Joe Grind. Yeah, man, Joe Grind. Yeah, you baby, hold on. Come here. Happy birthday. Come here, sweetie. Yo, 007. Yes, ma'am. You get her. Come here, boy, your name 007. Come here. That's too much silver in your name. Put on the mic and come here. I never asked you.
No. Microphone. You don't get interested. Your microphone.
Hold on, no. If you don't come here,
I will never touch mic.
Hold on. If you don't come here, come here. I'm birthday, so guess what? We're going to give him a treat, but 007, let me ask you something.
Yes, ma'am.
When you come? Listen, when you come?
Question loaded. No, you came here or when you come?
You came from last night. Now, so when you come today?
When I come today?
So you never came last night?
Yes, I did.
You came?
Yes, last night I did. I surely did.
But you didn't came today?
No, not yet.
Oh, not yet. Alright. Never tell no why I never came. Not even come. But anyway, 007, seriously, are you all coming tonight?
Yes.
Why?
Come feel like it.
And are you birthday?
Yes.
Don't tell no why I'm alone come tonight. Run the track now. Baby, hurry up. 007. Turn around. 007. Something alright. You want alright? Yo. If a man lives out with a woman and I give her the right satisfaction, Joe Grind on the outer road away. That has him on him step through the gate. Don't you know woman want a good lover man? I know the money you want to make she done. Man, you have to have the style and charm. The the woman no want no slumber. Thank your mama. You want the action. So man I wanna go like you will run things. Cause Joe don't run round things. You must hear bird fly on the one wing. That's why she jumps with Joe with the chin. You see some man have some easy it's a small thing. But you grind and the anaconda where you swing. Joe grind and the man where you run your town. Some man a clown. Both them a big time selector can't play the sound. So yeah, man. Hear me double step. Yo. You must say things, say you're happy, you will feel up. All the one night time I just tease up. Climb up, slam, bam, and broke it up. But I'm asleep on the floor like some culture. Don't you know woman wants the marathon man? Being a coach, make a shake up yourself. You don't make a fail. Yo! Run it again. Yeah, laugh. Hold it. I tell you why you don't come today. You see why you don't come today? Huh? Why? Tell the people why you don't.
Joe there yard.
Joe there yard. You can't pick up and run the track again. Run the track again. We're going to do the action now. We're going to do the action for this now. Sorry. Don't get nervous. Hold me double step. Hold me. We're not going to wine get born now. Alright? Watch it. Come now. Start me out again and make it really bright. Start again. Hold me. Don't talk too much. Squeeze me out. Watch me now. Yo. Where you carrying me go? Wrong way. What kind of excuse that, man? Alright, keep back way. I want me like too much for your belly. Come again and put it again, selector. 7. Happy birthday.
Thank you very much.
Alright. Watch it, baby. Watch it. Say the woman, live house with the woman. And all keep her the right side. So keep to me the 7. Keep to me the. And all keep her the right side. From Sean, she will right out the house. 7. Yo, you hear me? We're gonna take off one of the 0 or 5 name, alright? Baby, breakfast in bed, yeah, kisses on me, baby. You don't have to say you love me. Breakfast in bed, one and Chano. Sometimes it's rough, but you don't know. Can't give up. Sit down. Life with me was never easy at all. No time me hungry and nobody see all. And when me back it was against the wall. Me never give up at all. No. And when me friend them a roll like star. Inna them things and them cheap flashy car. Me never project me them life at all. Cause me put no the far. When me no get yesterday, me will get me today. What is mine will be mine. That's where mama say. I can't give me talent and they can't take it away. So I know they know that she way. Me face the struggle, but me rise. Ready to give them a surprise. So them don't realize that the seven time fall and the seven time rise. But wipe the tears from me eyes. Life with me was never easy at all. No time in home and nobody take off. And when me back it was against the wall. Me never give up at all. And when me friend them a roll like star. Inna them things and them big flashy car. Me never go to be the life at all. Cause if you want on the bar. I me say sometime happy, me say sometime free. Me do one day life would have better for me. I no try, them no try, but them can't fight for me. That judge a bit over me. I've been through the hills and I've been through the valley. With Lucifer and friends, them a try conquer me. Through the ranks and the winner, no for them play tree. That judge a bit over me. Life with me was never easy at all. No time in hungry and nobody take all. And when me back it was against the wall. Me never give up at all. No. And when me friend them a roll like star. Inna them things and them big flashy car. Me never go to be the life at all. Cause if me would not the far. But young people I hear me. Sometimes life is very rough. But no matter what, you can't give up. Because trust me, sometimes some people on the road worse than one. You understand me? So sometimes when I have to give God thanks for the blessing that you don't know, me to tell you now. You hear me? When me no get yesterday, do we get it today? What is mine will be mine. That's what mama say. I try give me my talent and they can't take it away. So I know they know that she way. But face the struggle, hope they rise. Ready to give them a surprise. But them just realize that a seven time fall and a seven time rise. Me wipe the tears from me eyes. Life with me was never easy at all. Alright, hold it. Lady G, come in. Hey, I don't know, say, when it comes to stage shows, so we need to know, we give the people them their money's worth. Come in, Lady G.
Yo.